Good evening, children. Previous class we have discussed about the five nutritions, right? Yeah. What are the nutritions? Yes, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now we are going to see balanced diet. What is that? Balanced diet. See here. This is the balanced diet. Diet refers to the food we eat. A balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amounts. It also includes fiber and water. It helps in the growth and development of our body. Okay, first, what is mean by diet, children? Diet is a food we normally eat in a day. Okay. Next, a balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amount. Our diet contains all the nutrients required by our body in the right quantities. Okay. For example, people of different ages need different types of diet. Yes? Yes. At the growing age, children require diet rich in protein and carbohydrate. Old people need rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. So, balanced diet leads to a good physical and good mental health. It helps to the growth and development of our body. It increases the capacity to work and ability to fight the diseases. It is very important to have a balanced diet. So, a diet which contains all the five nutrients, including fiber and water, in the correct amount is called perfect balanced diet. The quality of nutrients required by our body and the sources can be shown by the food pyramid. See here. This is the food pyramid. This is what? Food pyramid. See, the food items that should be eaten in the less amount is kept at the top of the pyramid. See this pyramid. This is the pyramid. The food which you want to eat less amount is at the top of the pyramid. See, this is the pyramid. You want to eat very less pyramid. All the nutrients are present in this pyramid. So, see down, rice, potato, bread, fruit, vegetables, milk products, everything you want to eat more because these are all very good for your health. The top of the pyramid is ice cream, cool drinks and chocolate. These food items you want to eat less. So less. So only they keep at the top of the pyramid. Okay, okay children, are you clear? Yes. A balanced food pyramid is shown here. Next we are going to see rough age. Next we are going to see the rough age. What is meant by rough age? The types of food which helps your stomach to deal with other food is called rough age. What is meant by rough age? Types of food which helps your stomach to deal with other foods. Okay. See here. Rough age, also known as fiber, is an indigestible food that your body cannot absorb. It is present in foods such as legumes, whole grains, and vegetables. Why is it important to drink water, children? Water does not provide any energy, but it performs our body many chemical reactions. Yes? Yes, water removes waste and regulates the body temperature. You should drink 8 glasses of water every day. There are some food items that are not digested by our body. Yes, children? Yes. They help in digestion process and maintaining water balance. So we call as rough age. So rough age we want to include the fiber and water that it is present our body that your body can't absorb. It present in the food items such as legumes. What is the meaning of legumes? பருப்பு வகைகள், grains, தானியங்கள் and vegetables. These food items contain more roughage. So you must take the fiber food items and drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay. It found in many fruits, vegetables, greens and legume also. It helps in regular bowel movement of our body also. So here the milk is the complete balanced diet. Which is the complete balanced diet, children? Milk is the complete balanced diet. Okay. Here see, children. More to know. More to know. Wait, children. More to know. Carrot contains vitamin A. Carrot contains which nutritions? Vitamin A. Bran. What is the meaning of bran? Tavid contains vitamin B. Gooseberry. What is mean by gooseberry? Periya nellikkai. Contains vitamin C. Milk contains vitamin D. Sunflower oil contains vitamin E. Cabbage contains vitamin K. Vitamin K. Next, we are going to see the book inside exercise, children. Okay. First one, unscramble the following words. What is that? Unscramble the following words. First one, AITVIMN. Do you have any idea, children? This is one of the nutritions. Yes, vitamin. 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 INMELAR. This is also one of the nutritions. Yes. Mineral. 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 MKIL. This is very easy, children. What is that? Milk. 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 WATERA. Water. 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 HEGE. Ghee. 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 RCIE. Rice. 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 GEG. Egg. 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 FSHI. Fish. 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 Please take a note and note down, children. Don't forget. Next, to check whether it is a balanced diet, split your meal according to the nutritions. Please write according to the nutritions food items. Okay. First one, proteins. First nutrition name, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamin and minerals, fats. These are the nutritions name. You want to write the nutritions rich food items. Okay. First one, proteins. Example, egg, milk. You write some other examples also. Okay. Carbohydrates, bread, rice. Vitamin and minerals, carrot, fig, orange, pear. Fats, oil, nuts. Next, last one, health care. You want to care your health. Yes or no? Yeah. Drink plenty of water every day. Every day you should drink plenty of water. We should not spill the food while eating. While eating, you should not spill the food. Don't waste your food. Okay, children? Today class over, children. If you have any doubt, please ask tomorrow. And take the notes then and the keep it ready. Okay? Thank you, children.